Hey everyone, it's Acoustic Paint and welcome back to our channel. So I am Kathleen and I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a while. I know Elizabeth has mostly been on this channel. I've been working on my second channel and I'm trying to be more active on that. But anyway, besides the point, today's video I'm going to be following a Bob Ross tutorial on my iPad. We actually did that Bob Ross tutorial video I think it was last year, when it was pretty popular on YouTube. But I ran out of storage on my phone and I didn't have time to edit it and I needed my phone for something else. So long story short, that video didn't happen. So I thought I'd try it again, but the less messy version. The app I'm using is called Sketchbook Pro. So we're gonna do a new sketch and let's see if he tells us what size.
I took my standard old pre-stretched double prime canvas and I'm using 18 by 24.
Okay, 18 by 24. So he's doing an 18. Okay, yeah, 18 by 24. Here we go. Okay, so that's a good full screen size. Okay, let's keep going.
Use whatever size is convenient. And I've taken black gesso on a natural sponge and just sort of did this all over.
Okay, so I don't see that I have any sponges, but I do have something that is also textured like a sponge. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. That's how mine's looking. But let me make a new panel. This looks like it goes directly behind the black. All right. Here we go. Very similar so far. Hard to mess that up. I feel like I could have done that black top layer differently, but oh well, we're already there. Okay, so let's do that mountain real fast.
Right here, there's a mountain that lives closer to us.
Okay, that looks like a good dark color. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna go with that. Screen recorder's still going. Oh, I have 7%. Slightly different setup. Sorry for that little change, but I need to charge. This is slightly harder too because I'm left-handed and now I have to reach across and don't really have anything to rest my hand on. Okay.
Titanium white, we'll put a little black in it. A little bit of black in it.
It's a gray.
And maybe a little bit of the bright red. That's pretty.
Okay, not gray.
That's his specialty. All right, let's take a little white.
Okay, hold up, Bob. Okay, I like that. That's what we're working with. Looks pretty good. I was gonna say it looks pretty good on camera, but oh my gosh, it looks the exact same because it's digital art and you can't change that. Anyway, let's continue. Okay, I like it. I've been having fun the whole time. So I finally finished. In real time, this has been probably about an hour, maybe even a little bit more. But it turned out really cool. Yeah, that's all from me. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications while you're at it. And that's pretty much it. That's all for this video. Bye!